It's been 1 week since you looked at me. Got your head to the side and said I'm angry. 5 days since you laughed at me and sang. Get back together, come back and see me. 3 days since the living room. I realize it's all my fault, but couldn't tell you. Yesterday, you've forgiven me, but it'll still be 2 days till I say I'm sorry. Hold it, now I watch a hoodwink. Does it make you stop?
Hey guys, it's Miss Malukas with your morning announcements. On this thundering thinking throwback Thursday, today's December the 10th, and today is a B-Day. Please get ready to join me for the pledges of allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Please remain standing or simply silent and respectful for an additional moment of silence. Awesome. Thanks, guys. Semester exam pickup. Again, if there is an exam tomorrow, I guess, or today that you need, reach out to your teacher and they can help you with that. Reach out to your teacher directly. Otherwise, the next opportunity to pick up paper exams is Friday, tomorrow, from 10:30 to 12:30. The same place you pick up meals with C&P by the pavilion. The exams available for paper pickup are 9th grade geometry, 10th grade algebra 2 and chemistry, 11th grade pre-cal, and Spanish 2. Here's the semester exam schedule. Today we have 8th grade science, 9th grade biology, and 10th grade English 2. Tomorrow our seniors are on campus for their FRQs, and we have 8th grade history. I want to apologize. I made a mistake for next week's exam schedule for our 12th graders. If you are a senior and you got confused, I apologize. This is the correct schedule. Seniors, you will take either AP Stats or AP Calc on Tuesday, and you'll take AP Bio on Thursday. I had those backwards yesterday. Please pause if you have a need to check out the schedule for exams any further. Again, I'm sure your teachers are talking about this. If you have questions or need any more support, any additional support for the exam schedule, just let us know. Please pause for a reminder on our incentives. Some of our 7th graders are well on their way. 8th graders as well. And on to the birthdays. We have one student birthday to announce. Happiest of happy birthdays to Amira Sixto Sanchez in 9th grade. I hope you're having a fantastic Thursday, doing a phenomenal job or about to do a phenomenal job on your biology test. I hope you've had a great week so far and you continue to have a great week and that you have a great weekend. Happy birthday. You share your birthday with tons of people. 3 are shown here. It is Raven Simone's birthday. I know her from the Cosby Show. Mixed feelings about that now. But then also she was on That's So Raven. I think she's been on other stuff as well. Michael Clark Duncan, I remember from The Green Mile. Again, he's been on other stuff too. And then soccer player Gonzalo Higuain. I know he's been on Real Madrid. He's played for, I think he played for Chelsea, Now he plays for Inter Miami. Happy birthday to all of the people. I hope you're all having a great day. I hope everybody's having a great day. If it's your birthday, even more so. For this day in history, December 10th, 1898, Treaty of Paris. On December 10th, 1898, the Treaty of Paris was signed, ending the Spanish-American War. Most of the countries addressed by the treaty had been fighting for their freedom from Spain for decades, such as the Cuban soldiers in the photo. The black and white photo here. I know there's lots of photos on this page. None of them were represented at the signing of the treaty. Howard Zinn notes in A People's History of the United States, Cuba was thus brought into the American sphere, but not as an outright colony. However, the Spanish-American War did lead to a number of direct annexations by the United States. Puerto Rico, a neighbor of Cuba in the Caribbean belonging to Spain, was taken over by U.S. military forces. The Hawaiian Islands, 1/3 of the way across the Pacific, which had already been penetrated by the American missionaries and pineapple plantation owners, had been described by American officials as a ripe pear ready to be plucked, was annexed by joint resolution of Congress in July of 1898. Around the same time, Wake Island, 2,300 miles west of Hawaii, on the route to Japan, was occupied, and Guam, the Spanish possession in the Pacific, almost all the way to the Philippines, was taken. In December of 1898, the peace treaty was signed with Spain, officially turning over to the United States Guam, Puerto Rico, and the Philippines for a payment of $20 million. What even is that amount? But December 10th, 1898, we remember the Treaty of Paris. All right, guys. So here's the schedule. If you're taking an exam, it may look different. IDEA is still a great place to go to school. You should still come to school. Attendance is important. Check in with your friends, too. This is a great chance, right? We made that deal with you guys about grades, about our grading policy for quarter 2. Even if one of your friends maybe hasn't been showing up as regularly as we know they should be, they can still take the exam. It's a good opportunity to see what they know and what they still have time to learn. It's not the end of the year yet. There's still time, but we don't know what we don't know unless you guys take these exams. If you're hearing my voice, I know you're probably going to take your test, right? It's a big indicator. You're watching the announcements. You're probably going to classes. But this is my plea. This is my request. Please send a text message to someone who you know might not be listening to the announcements and not signing in for their exams this week. You never know. Your text might encourage them to sign in. Oh my gosh, please wear your mask. Covers your mouth, covers your nose. Do it at school, anytime you're out in the community, anytime you're indoors. Same phone number, same Facebook. Bulldogs are determined, optimistic, generous, and strong. If no one else tells you today, remember that we love you, believe in you, and always will. Love you guys. I'm proud of you. Thank you for fighting through these exams. Thank you for getting through this quarter almost. Incredibly proud of the work you've done and continue to do. Thinking about you. Look forward to seeing you either online or in person. Looking forward to seeing the seniors tomorrow. And have fun with Move This World.